Hello, Secondary Math 3. We're on our last week here. Today's May 4th, and you're supposed to sometime this week get your, we'll go ahead and put 2020, who knows when we'll see this, but you're going to do this review and take your test, and then you're done. If you have things you want to retake, of course you can. You have, I would like the deadline that you guys turn everything in to be is 5/15. So not this Friday, but next. If I don't see stuff, because some of you have to turn in packets, some of you are doing online, whatever we need to get this done soon, okay? Okay. So the first one is asking us about a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, and it says an x value is randomly selected from the distribution. Find where the probability, what's the probability that x is less than u minus 3, right? And so I drew this picture for you. And so we know that each side of these is 34. And then on each side of that is 13.5, each side of the mu or the mean. And then we would have 2.35. And then we would have 0.15. And so when it says x is less than, well, right here, here's mu, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so less than would just be this side. So that's why the answer should be 0.15%. Okay, so I have had several students ask questions about this, so I'm going to just do a quick one, because if you'll see, they deleted number 2, but on the test there is a number 2 and it has a question similar to this. So let's go ahead. So right here, whatever the mean is, that's what's going to go in the middle. That's called mu, not moo like a cow, but mu. It's Greek. All of trig is Greek, but anyways, that's where that goes. And then the standard deviation right here, that's what's being added. So when we go to the right, we're going to add 20. So 120 plus 20 is 140, 160, 180. And then when I go to the left, I'm going to subtract. So this would be 100, 80, 60. And so it might be more of a question like this one where it says, what's the percentage that would be under 60%? So again, I like to write in my percentages, right? This is 34% of the data. This, so if they're asking from just mean to 1 standard deviation, that's 34%. Then we have 13.5, then 2.35, and then 0.15. Okay, because it's 0.15 because it's really rare. So this is 68% of the data, right? If you watch those, that's 68, 95, and 99.7. So there's just a little bit that's super amazing or super not amazing, right? So the question is, well, what would be under 60? So that's the same question that they just asked, because 60 is right here, mu less than 3. So if it's less than 60 or less, again, it's that 0.15. What percentage would be between 100 and 160? So I believe this is like the previous quiz question, right? Is it saying from, now they could have said mu, like